everybody, welcome back to my channel. Stephanie here. I am coming at you today with my favorite holiday season. It's been a little while since I've posted and I want to get back into the swing of things, and what better way to come back than on the Christmas season. So today I wanted to go through a little mini haul, and a super affordable haul. Majority of these things I either got at Homesense or at the Dollarama, which I'm like shocked at the quality. So I'm going to show you a few of those pieces in a little mini Christmas haul. And then I figured I'd give you some of my tips and best practices that I do for planning for the holiday season in terms of what the decor is going to look like and what theme I'm going for, what vibe, and what I do to prep for the holiday season. All right, let's jump into it. The first two, the most expensive of the bunch, I got sort of this beautiful mercury glass. I love mercury glass, so gold mercury glass. This was $10 from Homesense. And then I picked up this smaller one as well. I do have more of these that I got last year, so I'm going to definitely spread them around the bookshelves. I really just love how the light catches, and if you have like twinkling lights nearby, it's really beautiful. So the candles that I got this season were all sand and fog. Oh my goodness, sand and fog, you need to ship to Canada, because I can't only rely on Homesense for you. It is my favorite candle brand. They are clean, and I just love, they have the sand and fog, but they also have now sand and paws, and with the two dogs and all their fun scents that comes with having a dog, the line is specifically catered to dog owners, and it eliminates the scent of dog in your home. I'm like, yes, where were you all my life? Can you make car diffusers? How can you expand this line? I'll help you. But yeah, so I love the Sand and Fog. That is the only candle brand I will purchase now. Let me see if I can bring this over without... It's just this beautiful green color. So this is apple spice. It smells so good. I do have to, hot tip with candles, the first time you burn it, you have to burn it so it's all melted. You can't interrupt the burn. The other two scents that I got, oh, actually one other scent, but I got two containers, like two things of it, was winter pine, and that just smells beautiful. And then I think that was really it that I got from Homesense. Oh, also, I should say that this is my very first drink of the season. I will also have a recipe on how to make the peppermint white mochas at home, but for now, I'm gonna get lipstick all over it, but it's good. What would a holiday haul be without my favorite Christmas drink? Call me basic, it's fine. On to the next few pieces. These are all from the dollar store. And let me tell you, I'm shook. I am so shooketh that I found these at the dollar store. They are great quality. I'm thoroughly impressed, and I think they're going to add a lot to my theme this year. So my theme, I'm going more like organic. I'm very much inspired by Studio McGee's Christmas inspiration. I'll pop a photo somewhere over here. But Studio McGee's vibe for Christmas, I was 100% into. So I picked up these from the dollar store. They're just a simple wood ornament, but beautiful. This was $1.50 for these. I probably will go get more because they had snowflakes and like other wood, and I really want sort of a rustic farmhouse, very natural vibe this year, and I think that that's really going to work on the tree as like the neutral. Next, I found this. So cute. It's wood, probably particle board. Let's be real. But it's just a very cute little addition, and I'm gonna hang this somewhere, maybe even here, who knows? But like, how cute would that be in here, or like in between, right there? Yeah, love it. I also got a few other wood pieces. So I got this Merry Christmas. This also comes in white. It was stunning. I wish I got them both. This was $4. And some of the other wooden signs I grabbed, this was $3.50. It's Noel. I think there was Joy, Hope, a few others, but those are so cute. And then I picked up the red. I thought the red was so lovely, like just the detail. This is the dollar store. It's so simple, and this was $4. It's literally so thin, so I love that you can really like layer things in front. So cute. I bought the red and and I bought the green. This is more the vibe I'm going for this year, so that's why I wanted to buy this color, but I thought that the red would be really pretty to have as well because it has the white, so you could even like layer them together. A little Christmas forest. Oh my gosh, I love it. Next up I found this snow globe, which I do not own a snow globe. I have searched and searched and searched for the perfect snow globe over the years, and I have not found the one that really catches my eye, and like lo and behold I find it at a dollar store. This is stunning. This was $4 and it's just so pretty. I wonder if you can see kind of like the reindeer inside and the Christmas trees. I just thought this was such a beautiful piece at the dollar store. $4. What? Love it. And I'm loving the collection of stuff that's gathering behind me. The next thing that I grabbed from the dollar store, and I need to go back to grab a second, was this beautiful candle holder. And it's just like very, very pretty. It's like frosted, and then I have our reusable, like the flameless battery operated. Highly recommend these. I definitely left this on for way too long. I'm gonna have to grab batteries. But the glow that comes off is just so pretty. So this was, first of all, so beautiful. This is like something you would find in like Michael's for like $20. And it lights up inside. It is so pretty. I have a kind of something similar to this in a small ornament on my Christmas tree that I usually put up. So I thought that this just goes so nicely, and it has the twinkling lights. So pretty. Last thing I grabbed was this tree topper, and I wanted it because it's kind of like almost like a brown metallic. It's like almost like a bronzed look versus like bright gold. I only have bright gold, and I felt that they were gonna be too bright for the tree this year. Like the vibe that I was going for is more this look, and it almost to me looks like a basket weave. And last but not least, I grabbed these. These were for $3. Yeah, $3 each. I'm gonna try to layer the two together, and this is what I'm gonna use for our garland. So there you have it, my little mini decor Christmas haul. I don't think I'll be adding any huge pieces other than these items that I have with me today. I'm probably gonna get a few more of those decorations, like the ornaments from the dollar store, like the wooden ones, and possibly there are some from IKEA that I've had my eye on. They are like these beautiful paper ornaments, so I might pick up maybe some of those. But if you enjoyed these items, if you got some inspiration from them, let me know below. What do you do? Do you refresh your decor every year? Do you stick with the same decorations, same colors, same themes? I would love to know down below in the comments how you like to change it up each year or keep it the same. Okay, so now that you know what I've added to my roster this Christmas season, probably start decorating probably in a couple weeks. Maybe next weekend, maybe the weekend after. I like to match it. I live in Toronto, so I like to do it the weekend of the Christmas parade here in Toronto. It's so nice to just like decorate on the Saturday and have all your Christmas decorations up to watch the Santa Claus parade from your TV with hot chocolate and popcorn, and just to relax and get cozy. And that's something that I like to have as a tradition in my household. So before I start decorating, I wanted to share some of the tips that I go through and some of the things that I do to set myself up for success. All right, so the first tip I have is to obviously plan. Get inspired. So I do that by creating a Pinterest board, but you could do that through Instagram. You can create like a saved highlight on your, on your Instagram profile. Magazines, if people still read magazines, are another great way to cut things out and sort of put them together in an inspiration book. And then just other blog posts, other YouTube videos. I've seen a few already. And yeah, just kind of collect from the different sources and then put it together in one spot and then have a look and see, okay, what are the common themes? What am I gravitating towards this year? So once you have that, the next step is inventory. My retail days are over, but I highly recommend inventory. I think that is key to not being wasteful, not overspending, or not over purchasing. It could be so easy to just buy everything brand new and start fresh every year and then throw out or donate the other stuff that you've had in previous years, but try your hardest to reuse and repurpose. And then at that time too, when you're doing an inventory, if you know your style has changed, and everyone's style evolves, so if there are things that you're like, no, I think this is going to be better suited to somebody else, or I don't think I'll ever use this in our Christmas decor again, take that time to donate it, and donate it before Christmas, because it's an awesome opportunity to give things away that people can actually reuse for the holiday season and use in their own decor. After that, it is a great idea to fill in the gaps. So when you are, obviously what I did here, purchasing new items to fill in the gaps of what you are missing from what you currently own to what you need to add to your theme or add to your decor for the season. And last but not least, map it out, clean it up. Both of those things. So I guess there's two pieces to the last one. But clean it up and map it out. It is so important to have an idea of where at least the big ticket items that you have are gonna go. So your Christmas tree, if you have like garland or wreaths, think about the bigger items of decor that you have and where they're going to live. And then think about if there are any items that need to leave that space to bring in the Christmas decor. So it maybe, for us, we have our Peloton in the living room right now, so that is obviously going to come into this office, so that way we can put the tree there. We'll have to move a chair around, but think about where you can utilize different pieces of furniture in different rooms, so that way you have space to actually let your Christmas decor breathe and have an airy and not overly cluttered or daunting space. And there you have it. There are my tips for prepping your space before the holiday season and planning out Christmas. That is what I'm doing. I have made it to step fill in the gaps, and now I need to clean it up and map it out. I mean, probably my least favorite part of all of it. Shopping is obviously the most fun. But that's where I'm at in my process, so I will be starting to get things ready for putting in the decor in the next couple of weeks. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day wherever you are, and be sure to check out my blog for more info and more tips and tricks if you're interested. It is stephdavis.com. I'll leave it here. And as always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more. All right, thanks so much. Have a great